Is it? Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. I have nothing to film about today, and I don't have school today, so I'm just going to take the time and show you all of my slimes, which is not that many compared to all the other people's in the world. So, let's start off with one of my tiniest slimes. It is a blue flarp. I don't know what happened to the other half of it, but it's super, it's kind of glossy. You have to stretch it slow though, but if you stretch it fast, it'll break. But for some slimes, I'm gonna do a close up, but for others, I'm not. So let's move on. Oh my gosh, there's a birdie! Okay. Next, so this is a galaxy slime that was in a galaxy slime kit I got for Christmas. So here it is. Hashtag awesome camera work. Let me go over here. I have a light turned on, so awesome camera work. It's like it has glitters in it. I suck at filming, but there it is. You're welcome. Okay. And I'm not using my pop socket anymore. So if my phone falls, I'm sorry. Moving on. I don't have a lot of film on my camera, so I'm going super fast. Next, so this is a Elmer's slime kit. It used to be one of my, oh my gosh, this is so sticky. Oh my gosh, cut the camera. I have to clean up my desk now. Thanks, Mom. And I move on. So, no, that one. This was also in the kit, and I'm going to be super careful with this one. Is it super... What the heck? Danger. Ah! Let me show you. Here it is. This was... Get out of the way. Ah! It's so sticky. I didn't go in all the way like that, so you're welcome. Get in the container. It's gonna happen. Cut the camera. Slime is, oh my gosh. This is the first fluffy slime I've ever made, and it's a bit of a fail. But it's actually stretchy and I love it. I don't know what it is, but it's a baby blue color and it's super, it looks a lot, it looks a lot darker up close, but I don't want to run out of time. So, oh my gosh, we're gonna keep moving on. We only have 4 slimes left. This is a galaxy slime. It wasn't made, oh my gosh. Look at the bottom. Close up time. Give me. I suck at filming. Oh my gosh, I love this slime. It's one of my favorites, and I don't know why. I love galaxy. This is so much better than I remembered it being. But I didn't use Elmer's for it, so 3 more slimes left. These are my newest slimes, so this is actually not the greatest slime. I don't know what happened to it. That bear is staring into my soul, and I don't like it. Okay, moving on. Next is another blue slime. Oh my gosh, okay. What the heck? Okay, so here it is. I'm running out of time. So we're gonna move on. Okay, the last slime is a purple slime. Oh gosh. Here it is, and it's stretchy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe and give it, yeah. Goodbye. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. got more time. What is that talking about? I am so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, well, here's a better look at the purple slime. It's stretchy. But anyways, I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Actually, I'm so sorry. Here's a better look at the blue one too. Yeah. Okay, this is the last time, I promise. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.